Question again on maximum and minimum. We need to do another question. Question number 2. Maximum and minimum. So we have the following. This is number 2. The figure, we have the figure below. The figure below shows a rectangular sheet of metal, and these are the measurements: 8 centimeters by 5 centimeters. Then we are told that the shaded areas, the shaded squares, we have some squares that have been shaded. The shaded squares, each of signed meters are removed. They are removed, and the remainder, and whatever remained, and the remainder folded. The remainder is folded along the dotted lines, to form an open box. So this is what we have been given. This is how the rectangular sheet looks like. And then we have the squares which are being removed. So we have it this way. Then we have squares being removed. So we have this one, and we have the other part there. So these are the shaded squares, and we are told that their length, the shaded squares, each of signed x centimeters, these have been removed, this one, and again we have the other one here. So they are removed, and we are told that they are cut through the dotted parts. So these are dotted, so they are cut. Then we have these again. They are cut along this. That's what we have. And then we've been given that the distance from this point to this point is 8 centimeters. And then we have from this point all the way to this point is 5 centimeters. So part A, find an equation for the volume. Find an equation for the volume of the box. In terms of x. So that's the first part. So that's what we have. We have a rectangular sheet of metal. The side is 8 by 5. The shaded squares, each of the side. So each of these, the side is x centimeters. All sides, that is x centimeters. We are told that they are removed, and the remainder is folded along the dotted lines to form an open box. So this is what we are going to form when it is folded. It is forming the open box. So we can have the box here. We have the open box that is being formed, an open box. This is what we have for the open box. So in this, we have from here up to here 8 centimeters, but these two have been removed. So we have 8 minus x, because there is an x here and another one. So we have on this side we'll have 8 minus x minus 2x. We have x and x, so it is minus 2x, and these are in centimeters. Then again, on this side we are going to have all of it is 5 minus x and then minus the other x. So it is 5. We are going to have 5 minus 2x, and these are centimeters. Now we'll have our height. Our height, if this is removed, our height now will be this x. This is the length, the width, and the height will have the x centimeters. So in our volume, we are going to have, therefore, the volume of this box is given by length times width times height. Our length is 8 minus 2x. Our width is 5 minus 2x. Our height is x. So we can open this bracket first, whereby we have 8 minus 2x. We multiply by 5 minus 2x. Then we are going to multiply by x. So we have 8 minus 2x. We multiply by 5 minus 2x. So in this, we are going to have 8 times 5, that is 40. Then we have 8 times negative 2x, we have negative 16x. Then we have negative 2x times 5, that is negative 10x. Negative 2x times negative 2x, we have positive 4x squared. Then if we solve this one, we are going to have these are like terms. So we have 40 minus 16, negative 16 minus 10, we have negative 26x plus 4x squared. Then all of it, we multiply by x so that we can get our volume. Therefore, our volume will be 40x minus 26x times x, that is 26x squared, then plus 4x squared times x, that is x cubed. So that will give us the equation for the volume of the box in terms of x. So the volume, therefore, is equal to 40x minus 26x squared plus 4x cubed. So that is the equation for the volume.